open the outside and inside zippers on chamber bodies. Actually, one person can handle the chamber because the zippers have dual strings. Then we can enter the chamber. Close the zippers and belt clips. If for one person, he can close the belt clips first. Then he can close the zippers. But for 2 ATA pressure, we suggest that the outside must have one person, even the user can handle the chamber. One person outside the chamber is for safety. If emergency happened, outside person can help the user. Long press to turn on the concentrator. It would enter fast pressurization mode directly. The concentrator started to inflate the chamber. After inflation, the pressure would go up into the pressure you set up. If the real-time pressure reaches required pressure, it would turn to standard mode. At this time, you need to choose pure oxygen mode for more oxygen delivery. If you want 96% high purity oxygen, please wear the oxygen mask inside the chamber. If no need, don't need to wear the oxygen mask. For every order, we prepare 2 to 3 PCS oxygen masks. The inside user can adjust the pressure by inside panel. If you want to stop the therapy, just turn off the machine. No more air delivery into the chamber. The pressure would go down gradually. For the pressure 1.5 to 2 ATA, we don't suggest that you handle the manual pressure relief valve. Only low pressure can handle the manual valve. Manual valves can speed the air leaking progress. When the pressure back to 0, we can open the zipper and go out from the chamber. For oxygen therapy, we suggest holding an hour at least. Everyone is different. It is better to ask your doctor before therapy. Some clients want to see inside chamber views. Here shows the inside view. Now we just install one silencer. Every order would have 2 PCS silencers. If you install 2 PCS silencer, inside chamber would be more quiet. For low pressure, we can use cell phone inside chamber. But don't use cell phones when 2 ATA pressure.